Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Looker Studio for KPI dashboards, full guide step by step clearly. To log into Looker Studio, start by opening your web browser. In the address bar, type in the URL for Looker Studio. Press enter to go to the website. Once the page loads, look for the sign in button at the top right corner. Click on the sign in button. You will be directed to a login page. Here, you need to enter your email address associated with your Looker account. After entering your email, click on the Next button. The next page will prompt you to enter your password. Type in your password carefully. If you have forgotten your password, click on the Forgot Password link for assistance. Once your password is entered, click on the Sign In button to proceed. If your credentials are correct, you will be redirected to your Looker Studio dashboard. If you encounter any errors during the login process, double-check your email and password. Ensure that you are using the correct Looker account linked to your organization. For security, Looker may send a verification code to your email or phone. If prompted, check your email or mobile device for the verification code. Enter the verification code into the designated field on the login page. Once logged in, familiarize yourself with the dashboard interface. Explore the various options available for managing KPI dashboards. You are now ready to create and analyze your KPI dashboards in Looker Studio. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.